Um, everybody's entitled to his own opinion. So whatever they say, it's up to them. It's, if that's their opinion. But as far as I'm concerned, and my opinion is, the Senate is stable, both majority and minority. I am very sure that the Senate is stable, and we will make sure, under my leadership, we will make sure that everything will be transparent, everything will be accountable. Well, first of all, and I have vowed already, we will make sure that the budget process, as far as the Senate is concerned, will be transparent and accountable. Everything will be done through the eyes or within the purview of the people, no, of the public. So that's one. No? And then hopefully the ICI can open to the public its deliberations. No? That's another. And the most important of all is that the judiciary act well. In other words, may mga ma-prosecute, may mga makulong, at may ma-find guilty yung mga guilty. To make sure that those who are guilty are proven so and are sentenced. Palagay ko doon, pag nakita ng mga tao na gano'n na nangyayari, malinaw ang paggamit ng pera nila. Diba? Malinaw ang investigasyon. Malinaw din ang resulta ng judiciary. What more can you ask for? Yun ang importante.
So SP, hindi ho option yung pagbibitiw from President to Congressmen na sa sinasabi ni, para daw clean slate, sabi ni Senator Alan.
Cannot be an option. What do you do with those who are not guilty? What do you do with those who are newly elected and have no bad records? What do you do with them? Idadamay mo doon sa mga guilty or sa mukhang guilty kung hindi man guilty. Kung meron bang marumi, ba't natin idadamay yung mga malinis doon sa marumi? So I don't know, it's very far-fetched as far as I'm concerned. It's we will be entering something like uncertainty and chaos in the political world pagka ganon.